Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel Taufik Hadi in this video accounting management. Okay, in this video the material discuss budgeting and standard costing in management accounting course. How can we use the budget as a control mechanism because many plans, many actual strategy are finally conveyed to people by giving a budget which a quantification of what's planned. For first, our function the budget filters. So we're here to make a forecast and not just saying sales are going good or bad, but actually getting sales to be 20,000 sales to 60,000 sales. How to use to make it the right cost flow plan, the right number of units which we have to plan. To make a plan, of course, we will make a department. A plan might be a machine or whatever we need. Of course, all of this cannot be separated from the coordination budget. Yeah, it is so the budget quantified. So in there's a forecasting a necessary step in establishing any plan. And it's a planning money, units, people, market heroes. So coordination all of the department in this organization, a communication informs people of expectation, authorization of expenditure up to the budget amount. Authorizations in your budget is 400 to 1000. Basically, we cite that we can spend it is 100 to 1000 and come back to me. So it is motivation of budgeting. So provide people the target. The digital term for motivation most people like to be given a target and getting a target will feel a appreciation. When we all feel well done. So we count back to to the general in evaluation. Yeah, a comparing budget to actual in this first step in evaluating a performance. And then we will do one evaluation using the budget. For evaluation here is the budget that has to sell more the help. So budget with actual in the first step in evaluating performance and then need to be very careful in this difference between the budget and actual is basically a difference but and remember that between two numbers the actual may be wrong, it might do very well. A care is needed when setting a sort of budget. So it's to say easy, a perform will probably do falling down. Too difficult, employees can become demotivated. Avoid to saturate and the data might to be mere separate the stuff and then you have to use the for to fight. Setting a budget it is to see easy when down to the decorate the first and natural performance. Legally, to be very demonstrated and help the budget that we get. Yeah, standard cost determines cost per unit in output. That's all be ensured in normal operating condition. So, and there is the standard are constantly for budgeting. So currently enable standard and then achievable under normal operating condition without being too easy. Yeah, so if a variance analysis to find reason for discrepancy between actual and budgeting performance. So no calculation, interpretation and possible costs. Do not jump to conclusion when investigating costs. Converse budget to actual. So interpretation, possible explanations and limitation. So it helps to treat the three as two converse with healthier harness. So the human resource are now in your recover material variance, pure labor variance, travel variance, variable overhead variance, and so on. Your costing standard and standard costing. It can be a very useful tool for management trying to plan more accurate budget. And an accurate budget can result in affordable and efficient business at the end of the day. This because a standard costing system gives managers So project ideas about costing, standard costing with their actual costs will determine with us business authorities need to be used also standard, and then costing is, and then costing is the practice of estimating the cost of a product process. It brings or cost accounting used by manufacturers. Yeah, is for example to friends the cost for the coming year and expansion size as duration material, direct labor or overhead. So, budget is for getting for budget a level of activity. So standard is for actual, yeah, level of activity. Budgeting is preferred at the starting of the period, and standard are calculated at the end of the period. So thank you so much everyone your information. So we have this today. Next time if you come back to my channel topic Hadi, so we have to show. Thank you so much.